So now finally we have the columns in place. We have them in line with the laser, so they are now as they should be. And yeah, they fit perfect to the roof. So this is 4 meters to the roof, and this one is 380 something. But yeah, that will be in the final position. So now we're looking for drill to drill through the floor to see how thick the floor is, because I haven't checked that. So hello, back again, Sunday evening. Still working on the lift. Actually, I got all the cables in here now, over here, and the hose for the hydraulic thing. I got the hydraulic unit mounted up over there, and then the switch panel also mounted, and all the cables and hoses that needs to be over here. Still need to fix these wires. So I have the lines, and that one I need to take down somehow. I don't know. It was quite sketchy to lift it up with the engine hoist, but it was successful. I got the one end up first, and then I lifted like half a meter, the one by hand, up there. So it's now mounted. Really happy about this. I'm really eager to get it done, and yeah, then I will be able to lift stuff, you know. Monday evening, and it's late. It's time to go home. But actually, I took up the camera now. Push the car out of the way from the door. Lift is almost done. We actually fixed the brackets up in the roof, too small in each side, so we get like really stiff up in the like safety. Doesn't need it, but it's good to have. And yeah, still need to fill some oil in the lift, and then I need to also add some electricity to the lift. Unfortunately, the electricity is over there, so I need to pull a cable up in the roof and all the way to that post over there, and then down. I will also continue to the other side of the wall and get down over there, so I will have some electricity in the other side of the garage also, because now that's the only side where there is some electricity. I'm really happy with the lift, eager to get it working, and yeah, then I need to adjust these wires also to get it to lift like evenly, so that's one thing. But otherwise it should be everything okay now.